Looking for the perfect coffee maker that's fast, bold, and effortless? Let me introduce you to the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Say hello to your new favorite coffee companion, the Keurig K-Express. This sleek and modern coffee maker is designed for coffee lovers who crave convenience and bold flavor. With just the touch of a button, you can brew an 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup of coffee, tea, or even hot cocoa in minutes. Want a stronger flavor? The Strong Brew button delivers a richer, bolder taste that's perfect for your morning boost or afternoon pick-me-up. The 42-ounce removable reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling, while the removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 inches tall, perfect for coffee on the go. And it's energy efficient, turning off automatically 5 minutes after your last brew. Compatible with hundreds of K-Cup pod flavors and even the My K-Cup reusable coffee filter for your own grounds, this coffee maker offers unmatched versatility and quality. Upgrade your coffee experience with the Keurig K-Express. Your mornings will never be the same. Check description and comment link for Buy This product.